We will, yun po yung value nun, because you will, with the sensor, then automatically magagamit nyo yung data na yon. Sometimes they ask, can you put up a parang board na makikita nila mismo yung data? Yung second question? Yung Project NOAA po, as I said, it's a website. So it needs internet access and a computer. So, of course, CEC has that. Magandang channel na para makuha niyo yung information on incoming, potential disasters. And then you can forward that to your local chief executive or DRR manager po ba yan? Yeah. Meron po kaming napuntahan halimbawa sa Southern Leyte na yung CEC doon, actually, siya yung nag-collect ng data and nagpi-print out. At yun yung binibigay niya doon sa mayor. So that's a role that is played by the CEC there.
Some more questions?
Magandang hapon po. Ako si Mayor Betty Versola ng Luna, Apayao, Car. Pwedeng mag-request doon sa weather station sensor. The predicament of Car is when it rains in Car, the water flows down to the other regions. When I came to Region 3 during the disaster management, you have all the reports of the weather of the river basin. But no report in the Cordillera down to Cagayan area. So we just finished a seminar in Cagayan wherein the river basins of the water coming from the Cordilleras goes to either the Cagayan Valley or goes to the Ilocos region. Yun po. So we should have one in Cordillera to forewarn the other region. Kasi there are times na umuulan po sa amin ng malakas, hindi naman umuulan sa Cagayan. So for and in behalf of the Cordilleras, from that one of the 600 that you still have, please consider Apayao to be one of the places to consider for that. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po. Yeah. Yun po, as I mentioned, yung approach is on a river basin. So, yung river basin po includes the watershed and the downstream of the river. So, yung sa watershed, ang usually linalagay yung rain gauge.
Yes.
Kasi nga tama po yun, yung flooding is downstream,
yes,
but the water is coming from up in the mountains, no? Kaya ganun po yung normal na setup. May rain gauges dun sa upstream.
Sa taas, yes. So, geographically, Apayao is composed of Upper Apayao. Upper means they're in the mountains, 4 municipalities. And Lower Apayao, 3 in the Upper Apayao and 3 in the Lower. The Lower Apayao, wherein my town is one, is the one that is also flood prone. So when we say in Kalinga, if there are Kalinga people here, the Chico River flows down to Cagayan River also. So for that, geographically, we really need this equipment in the Cordilleras to forward the lower regions. Salamat po.
Ma'am, excuse po. Ma'am, yung pong ginagawa po namin sa Region 4A, if the LGU feels na dapat magkakaroon po doon sa kanila ng mga sensors na ito, yung pong ginagawa po na itong regional office po namin, ina-endorse po namin yung sulat nila sa Pag-asa, and then from that part, si Pag-asa po, siya po yung magsa-site profile dun sa inyong identified na location. So, much better, ma'am, sumulat po doon sa DOST regional office or sa Pag-asa na po directly para makapag-request po kayo ng site profiling doon po sa inyong lugar po ng sensors po.
Okay. Take care.
Tama po yun. Kontakin niyo po yung DOST regional office namin because they have been tasked to identify sites for the sensors. And then they will collate. We will do the coordination within DOST na po after that.
Yes, noted po.
Magandang hapon po. Kasi ang pinag-uusapan po natin will be the data gathering in terms of the rain and whatever cyclone that can happen to us. And usually, ang nagiging use ng data sa atin will be to yung preparation natin for the disaster na if we can reduce the risk there and the possible consequence of the disaster. Ang inisip ko naman po will be yung ang dami na nayata natin data, like we already know na historically, meron na tayong data na nagsasabi na 20 typhoons or so come to the Philippines at these particular months and so on. I wonder whether we're thinking of other use of this data with reference to shifting yung ating practices in terms of agriculture. Like may sinasabi tayong food security and then eventually yung sinasabi ng ating presidente na by 2015 or 2016 tayo ay nag-export na ng rice. Pero yung corresponding policies, corresponding shifts in terms of practices na ang ating mga agricultural products ang rice na doon pa rin at pinaplant natin doon sa mga areas that are flood prone. May pinag-uusapan po ba ang DOST in terms of advisory to the DA or whatever agencies are involved in terms of this possible shift sa ating mga agricultural practices? Kasi sa akin, disaster din naman yung mawalan ka ng entire year's products mo.
No, actually, sige, I will give some insights. Kasi yung, in terms of yung mga ganyang, walang pinag-uusapan. Pero kasi meron kasing, may mga initiatives kasi like yung development ng mga submergent varieties ng rice na niro-roll out na sa Philippines. Develop yan by IRRI. Pero kasi yun, kung prolong period ng flood, hindi rin siya magsusurvive. So, siguro, mas masasagot ni... Wala kasi si Roger si Roger. Ayun.
Ma'am, dagdagan ko lang po yung sinabi ni Riti. Meron naman pong ginagawa. One is we're putting up the data para mas madaling ma-access ng researchers. Kasi we've heard that parang complaint, many times na while the data is there, it's very difficult to access. So how can we make use of that? So that's one po. Providing easier access para then they can do their own processing specific to whatever interest they want, whatever crop, etc. Because example po, you're interested in a particular crop, you might know ano yung characteristics niya, like if it's parang sensitive to temperature. If you have the data that's very easy to process, you can check a particular location. Ano ba yung instances of extreme temperature, whether very low or very high. So you can use that kind of information. So yun po, one is providing access to the data in an easier manner. We're now looking into that. Parang it becomes a data service already. And it will become available hopefully to our SUCs, agriculture SUCs, because they know what they need, or very local yung requirements. They would know how to do their own processing, hopefully. But they need the data. So that's one.